Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now if I tap on profile looking icon in the right hand side of the screen, you can see the multiple accounts that I had logged in. Now, in order to remove those, first you'll have to log out from this account. Click on the logout option. Now click on the gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on the account that you want to remove. Click on the remove profile option. And if you're sure, click on the remove option once again. So that is how you can remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.